Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, students. Today we will start prime factorization. Okay, so we'll see what is prime factorization. So let's first see one example. Ripu and Sinam are making groups for dance and yoga performance. Okay, he's Ripu and she's Sinam. Okay, and they are making groups for dance and yoga performances. So for the dance performance, 25 children can be grouped into 5 rows with 5 children in each row. Okay, they are grouping 5 children in 5 rows. To total how many students? 5 into 5, 25, and 9 rows and 9 for 4 children. Okay, 9 rows with 4 children. How many students? 9 into 4, 36 children. 36 children for yoga performance. So students, you can see that a number can be expressed as the product of its factors. So number which divide the number is called factors. Okay, here 9 and 4 are factors of 36. Similarly 5 and 5 are factors of 25. So factors that are prime numbers. Okay, factors that are prime numbers are called what? They are called prime factors of a number. Okay, for example 36 can be written as the product of its prime numbers. Here you can see that here 36 was written as 9 into 4, but again we can write 9 as 3 into 3. Okay, 9 can be written as 3 into 3 and 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, here you can see 9 can be written as 3 into 3 and 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, so and 2 is what? 2 is a prime number and 3 is also prime number. So when you write 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, it will be called prime factorization. Okay, prime factorization of a number. So let's see how to find prime factorization of a number. So the prime factors of a number can be obtained by performing repeated division. Okay, prime factors of a number can be obtained by performing repeated divisions using prime numbers. Okay, we have to divide this number by prime numbers. Okay, we have to divide 90 by prime numbers. So let's see that first prime number is what? First prime number is 2. So let's divide 90 by 2. So what will you get? You will get 45. So again let's divide it by 2. Is 45 divisible by 2? Students, 45 is not divisible by 2. So let's divide it by 3. Okay. So 45 is not divisible by 2, so divide it by 3. So when you divide by 3, you will get what? You will get 15. So again 15 is not divisible by 2, so divide it by 3. So when you divide it by 3, you will get 5. So now what you have to do to find the prime factorization? You have to multiply these numbers, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. You must be thinking we do that to find the LCM. Yes students, we do the same procedure to find the LCM. Okay, in this chapter we will also study LCM and HCF. Okay, so there is second method also to find the prime factors. Here you can see 60 can be written as 3 into 20. Okay, 3 into 20. So 3 is prime number. 3 is your prime number, so circle 3. Circle 3 because it is prime number. Now 20 can be again written as 2 into 10. So 2 is again a prime number, so circle 2. Circle 2. Now we have got 3 and 2 as a prime number. Now again 10 can be written as 2 into 5 and 2 and 5 are prime numbers, so we can write 60 is equal to what? 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, so that is our answer. Students, 60 can also be written as 2 into 30. Okay, now here 2 is a prime number, so circle 2. Again 30 can be written as 3 into 10. Okay, now 3 is a prime number, so circle 3. Here 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So again 2 and 5 are prime numbers, so circle 2 and 5. So what is the prime factorization of 60? It is 2. It is 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. So here you can see that here our answer was 3 into 2 into 2 into 5, but here our answer is 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. So students, either you multiply 3 by 4 or you multiply 4 by 3, you will get the answer 12. Okay, similarly students, either you multiply 2 by 4 by 5 or you multiply 4 by 2 by 5, you will get the answer same. Okay, so I hope you understood. Now let's solve some questions from your exercise. Question number first says, what is the prime factorization of 48? So we have to select one correct answer. So students, you can solve it by any method, by long division method or by tree method. So I will solve it by both method. Okay, I will solve it by both method for you. Now you can see that yes, 48 first divided by first prime number, that is 2. So 24. Okay, now divide 24 by first prime number, that is again 2. So 1 and 2. Again divided by 2, so 6. Again divided by 2, so 3. Now students, so what is the prime factorization of this? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 3 times. Okay, sorry, 2 4 times. Here you can see that 2 4 times and 3 1 times. Okay, this is our answer. We can also solve it by tree method. So let's do that. I am writing it here, method 1. Okay, method 1. Let's solve it by method 2. Okay, now see here, 48 can be written as 2 into 4, 2 into 24. Again students, 2 is a prime number here. So now 24, what you can write? 3 into 8. Okay, here 3 is a prime number. Now 8, what you can write? 2 into 4. Okay, again 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 how many times? You can see that 1 2 3 and 4. So 2 here how many times? 4 times, and 3 here 1 time. So this is our answer. Okay, you can solve by any method here, no problem. Now let's move to another question. Question number 2. Question 2 says, make 3 factors trees for 30. Okay, we had to make 3 factor trees for 30. So let's solve this question. So 30 we can write 2 into 15. Okay, no problem. So now again 15, what you can write? 3 into 5. Okay, so students, our answer is here 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, again we can write 30 as what? 30 is equal to here we had written 2 into 15. We can also write here as 3 into 10. Okay, so here you can see that 3 and then 10. 10 we can write as 2 into 5. So what is our answer? 3 into 2 into 5. Okay students, it is same, either you multiply 3 by 2 then by 5, or you multiply 2 by 3 by 5. Okay, so we can also write 30 as what? 5 multiplied by 6. So here you can see that 5, then 6 can be written as 2 by 3. Okay, so here in this case our answer is 5 multiplied by 2 by 3. Okay, all are same. Okay, either you multiply 5 by 2 by 3, or you multiply 3 by 2 by 5, or you multiply 2 by 3 by 5, all are same. Okay, so we had to make three factor trees. Okay, 3 factor trees. Here you can see 3 factor trees. Now question number 3 says some numbers are factorized using the repeated division method. Fill in the box, then write the prime factorization of each number in the given space. So students, here you can see that I will solve second question. So from which number you divide 90? So you can get 45. So you will divide 2. Okay, then when you divide 45 by 3 you will get 15. Okay, then again you will divide when 15 by 3 you will get 5. So your answer is 2 by 3 by 3 by 5. Okay students, question number C and D is your homework students, and question 4 is also your homework. Okay, now some numbers are factorized using the repeated division. Here you can see the first question, when you divide 104 by 2, what you will get? You will get 52. So from which number you will divide 52? So you will get 26. So answer is 2. So by which number you will divide 26? So you will get 13. So again 2. So what is the prime factorization of 104? So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 13. So this was our answer. Okay, similarly here, see. Okay students, so see you in next video.